In today's video, we'll show you how to do a fun, inexpensive project and make really cool design just like this one. Come on in and check it out. So today, I found this little drawstring tote, and we're going to do a diamond emblem, and we're going to have things kind of go in circles around it. I got this at Walmart, a little drawstring tote. It's a nice canvas to work with. You can get some really nice results with it. I've tried their small totes and they have a little trouble. Now when I'm doing these pleats, I am making an effort to try and get the pleats on both sides of the line, and I'm trying to get the pleats on the inside of that half a diamond to kind of stay toward the center point of the diamond. I always make sure my folds toward the outside are higher than the folds closer to the diamond. That's what gives you kind of a radiating effect. So again, I'm trying to keep that top pinched really tight for each of those small folds. That gives you the neat designs on the inside of the emblem as well. And when you reach the pivot point, and this is in any design, you get these extra folds that can give you some neat effects right on the corners of the diamonds. So you want to take some time with those extra folds. And that's what I'm doing right there now. That pivot actually created a few extra folds, so you have to kind of pull them up and generate those. And then I just finish down around the remainder of the tote. Cinch it up with a little sinew. Now, as you can kind of see, if I can hold it still enough, it kind of makes these little loops if you get it really just right on the inside of the diamond. That's how, if you look at a number of my diamond patterns, that's how I get those cool results on the inside of the actual diamond emblem. This was a bit smaller piece than I'm used to working with, so I kept pulling it out of frame. I do apologize. And you want to make sure and kind of cinch those ropes real well. Unfortunately, the ropes aren't cotton, 100% cotton, so they don't end up holding any dye, as you'll see in the end. But I went with a new emerald green. Then the combination I use all the time, Chartreuse, Palomino Gold, and chocolate brown. I don't show it in the video, but I went back after I dyed it and I actually added just a little bit of Kingfisher blue underneath each of the emerald greens. Just a thin line of it, and it gave me some cool results. We got some ice on it. Didn't have to dye it as on the other side, it went all the way through. These take the dye really well. Gave it a wash in Synthropol after I rinsed it, dried it, ironed it, and here we go, final result. And again, could not be happier. Really got some really nice texture, nice designs all throughout. I'm really surprised. Usually these radiating designs can tend to get same pattern all the way through every single thing. And in this case, we got actually different results for every ring. Like if you look at the very outside green ring, Down at the bottom, we got those nice little spearheads I love to see. I really love when I get those effects to come out. And yet, if you look at the chocolate brown section toward the inside that's really powerful, that got an entirely different effect. And then that little toward the top, just outside of that, got even another effect. Got nice on the two sides of the emblem, and toward the top, toward the outside ring, we got those really cool little ethereal kind of emblems, which is what I was talking about that the pivot creates by getting those extra little folds. So take that extra time, it's really worth it. As you can see, that little bit of kingfisher blue that I added to the new emerald green gave it a really nice touch. The colors pop even stronger. I don't know why I can't get the right lighting to show my colors, but this is even a warmer, richer set of colors. The colors are right, but they're just not showing as warm as they really show in real life. But give it a shot. Easy pattern to play with on these. Literally takes you just a few minutes to do, and you get some great results. Try it on t-shirts as well. I've done it on t-shirts, dresses. You can see some of my other videos, some tapestries. Have fun. I am Dyeverse Designs, aka living for the better good of all, and I hope you are too.